Another member of the Khasi Students Union was arrested on Saturday in connection with the murder cases in Ichamati and Dalda. The individual, identified as A. Marwein by law enforcement officials, was taken into custody and subsequently interrogated at the Sadar Police Station in Shillong. Outside the police station, KSU members gathered but were unable to enter as the gates were locked to restrict access. This follows the detention of 3 KSU supporters, including Shambor Langshati and Mesadap Bors Campbell, both 26 and from Sora, and Clean Star Shabong, 27 years of age, from Nongthamai, on the 27th of March in relation to the same incidents. The initial police report, based on a complaint by the victims' family members Ishan Singh and Sujit Datta, suggested that the confrontation stemmed from an anti-CAA demonstration organized by KSU activists in Ichamati.